Rahelia, kaninong gamit yan? Sinong nagtahi ng kortina? Bakit? May mananahi ba na iba? Maliban sa akin? Mga ambisyosa, mga tao dito guys. Parang akala mo naman dito sa bahay na ito wala akong ginawa. Sa totoo lang, hindi naman magiging bahay ito kung hindi dahil sa akin. Dahil kalabanan kasi guys sa mga gold digger dito tama lang na ng tinggil nilang inakyat nila sa bahay ng asawa nila. Ayun guys, ni share wala. Bakit? Ay nako. I don't need to do this. Why I need to efforts to do this? Before that, I need to start to my, my luho first. Alam mo na yung luho Ay, alam mo na. Material girls is real. Tapos yung mga bagay na mga material ko para sa sarili ko na ako ang bumili. Rahelia, bili ba yan ni Momo? Momo lang. Kung saan hindi uso ang tao, kundi mongoloid. Ayun na yun guys. Ayun. Diba guys? Ang galing-galing no? Ako ang nagpakahirap ng bahay. Tapos nung naging bahay na, tinatanggalan na kami ng karapatan ng anak ko. Ang kapal ng mga mukha ng mga tao dito guys. Sa totoo lang guys, lahat ng mga kortina dito galing yan sa bulsa ko. Galing yan sa hirap ng aking pinaghirapan, pinagpawisan kung paano magtrabaho ng chimiaa, tagalinis ng kubeta sa Denmamak. Meme. Ayun guys. At hanggang ngayon guys, may sila. May announcer kung anong interview gusto nilang i-interview. May ba galing sabi ko, to the class, we need to talk about how can you control that? You didn't pregnant in early age. Ay, ma'am, just make, ma'am, withdrawal, ma'am. Kung paano mag-withdraw sa bangko, ma'am, ganon. Ganon ang style, ma'am. Yun lang, ma'am. Alam mo, ma'am, turuan mo din kami, ma'am, kung paano magmamam. Tapos, ma'am, yung English mo, ma'am, itago mo na lang, ma'am, sa utak mo. Don't share to your student. Kasi, if you share that, ma'am, they're gonna be smarter than ever. O, diba? Yun lang, guys. Thank you for watching. How are you, guys? Ito, guys, baka sabihin, nayari yan. Si Mumundo ang tumahe, Talaga. Sana all. Ayun, guys. Ang cute ko na. Para akong teacher. Honest, guys, is I can teach kindergarten. Yeah. It's okay. I can manage to talk to them in English. Drawing is okay. Making, what do you call that? Exam, I think I can manage to do that. Besides, it's only basics, right? But, if you are here in this earth, you need to go to school. But, honest guys, they didn't allow me to go to school. And if they give me a chance, they will make me more stressed. Even in exam day. Yes, exam day, guys, I will take exam. You know what they are doing? Make me more embarrassing and more disappointed that they can interrupt me. But honest is, yes, I pass. And then I slap to all of their face. So they can, walk idiot brain outside. Oh, yeah. Welcome to this world. Danish language and English language didn't exist to this world. You know what language they are using? Sudden. They are sudden, guys. Dance pro de Berka Iki i Denmark. Bisusiya nun po dance. Bipusto da Iki, posto do hin. Yun, dumuyay on school.